Good morning, prep class. Today is day 19. Please take out your English notebook and write topic, side, words, this, that, and these. Write date, CW, and day. Draw the margin line and write it. This, and also learn their spelling. THIS, 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 that, 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 THESE, these. Please write these words and learn their spelling also, and this is also your homework. You write next page topic, write this, that, and these, and you write it on these line. Thank you, prep class.